The Langston Hughes and Walt Whitman Venn diagrams is a lesson that is focusing on the critical literacy lens of interrogating multiple viewpoints. The two texts chosen for this lesson are Walt Whitman's I Hear America Singing and Langston Hughes' I Too Sing America. I Too Sing America by Hughes is a response to I Hear America Singing by Whitman, where Hughes critiques the poem and adds his own experience of being a black man in America. Students will read both texts and examine the similarities and differences in the author's viewpoints. The step-by-step instructions are as follows. I will first give students a Venn diagram that focuses on Hughes' I Too Sing America and Whitman's I Hear America Singing. I will assign students to groups of 4 to work on this activity. As they are analyzing, it will be helpful to talk about their ideas with their peers. Using close reading skills, they will compare and contrast the ideas of the poems and how they relate to each other. Whitman was a white male author living in the 1800s and wrote his poems based on the pride he had in America. Hughes was a black male author living in the early 1900s and wrote his poems based on his own pride and how black people were treated in America. Students will then analyze the pieces from a modern lens and how they could change if the poems were written in modern times. Students will notice ideas that are either on Hughes' side of the diagram or Whitman's side of the diagram and underline them if they could apply to a current modern lens for both authors. The strategy for comparing and contrasting two texts helps students to interact and negotiate the text in a way that allows for students to make connections that are deeper rooted in the meaning of the text.